Yo. What up, Dell? Yo, what up, Code? Whoa. Billy Nye, what up? How am I doing? I'm not doing bad. Yo, Dell. Yo, special shout out to whoever had their mom watch me on Topstep today. If she wants, she can comment on my video. Yo, when Patak said that somebody's mom was watching, I think he was just like, fuck, I didn't mean to say that out loud. Somebody said their mom was watching in the chat. So then I said, what's up to the mom? I was like, hey, what's up? Why don't you comment? Your mom was watching? Dude. Yo. I didn't even see the mom comment on it. I think I just got fucking stopped out. Motherfuck. I did get stopped out. Is this account done? Ugh. I end up passing an account today in here. So this is a funded account. It's up $500. I think that's an eval. I passed this eval. The problem that I'm getting is I'm getting wicked fucking out big time. Like I just got wicked out right here and now we're going up. Like that's shit. Why does the Topstep audience dislike the us duo? I don't know. I went 5 for 5 last time and people were bitching. So I don't know. Yo, there was a lot of up to yo, Alfred. There was a what I don't get it. What were they saying? Yo, Dell got banned. Yo, John Carter. It was my dad, but he used to be my mom. Yo. Yo, they well there's one guy who has multiple accounts that follows Jay in there every time and just talks shit the whole time. It's that Smokey guy. So he'll just talk shit with multiple accounts the whole time. And then that guy, Chris. But That guy Chris was like mad at me, so I added him, and then he stopped being mad at me. I saw someone saying you two were degrading the channel. Yeah. Bro, if you don't want to have fun, then you should just, for that hour, you just kind of go do your own thing. Come back when we're done. Yeah, I think I placed 4 trades. I think I was like 3 for 4. I knew this shit was going. Yeah, I think I was 3 for 4. Jay made 1,500 in like 2 combines. Yeah. It's just one weird guy. He comes in here too every once in a while. He's got a fucking hard on for Jay. You guys have seen him around. Alfred knows who he is. $4.31. Oh, yo, anyone catch the 5-minute? So I played this on the stream. This was the 5-minute 3-bar. I don't know if anybody caught that on the stream, but I played that for the short. Yo, CT. These guys are just degen gamblers. Yeah. You know what? I can't sit and be serious all day. What are we going to do? Just sit and be like, guys, this is the level. We're looking at 320 and I am looking at a bounce here. Okay, here we go. Like I'm not going to fucking be serious like that all day. You know? I make money. I don't know what people want. On average, I make money every single day doing this. But it's boring. It's the same shit every day. You're looking at the same patterns. You're looking at the same shit. It gets boring. So you got to have fun. Well, that's what Jay told him, that Topstep has us on there for reasons that you can't understand. We are on there to change the pace and cause the ruckus. And then people talk about it. You know what I mean? People are talking about it in other places. Like, hey, did you see these guys on Topstep? Dell doesn't have enough girth. Yo, I tried to add a bunch of you guys. I added a bunch of you on the thing. The chat only lets you talk once every like 30 seconds, though. It was definitely fun, though. I think we're going to be back next week. I think Patak wanted to be on there with us for the first time because he didn't even stay the whole session. He came on just for a little bit. I think he just wanted to like play. Yo, anybody get mad at, what do you want me to come here and just tell dad jokes the whole time and then get mad and shut my stream off? I figure there's a lot of Matt riders out there. Yes. Design. Well, no, who wrote that? BK. Yeah, it gets Topstep, free press in other places they wouldn't normally reach. That's exactly it. You know, listen, we don't talk bad about any of the members. Like, I'm not yelling at any of the members on there. We're not, I'm not doing any of that. Jay loves call. Yo, Jay didn't realize his name was Patak until after the stream. I called him and he's like, bro, I didn't know his name wasn't Paytech. It's Patak. Yeah. He's like, I've been calling him the wrong name the whole time. I didn't know what it was either, to be honest with you. What's up, Nasdaq? Yo, the jokes. Gotta have fun, man. Gotta have fun. If you're not gonna have fun, I don't know what to tell you. Can't help you out if you don't want to have fun. Oh, man. I'm just trying to set this thing up. Yo, hold on. He lost 5. Wait, Dakota was short bad? Or he lost 5K? I heard him. I don't know if it was in the green room or he was still live, but he said he was going to hang out because he wanted to watch us. Yeah. Not going to lie, that shit rubbed my nuts the wrong way. What? Yo, it's so funny that neither of us are in their club. I had no idea what it was. No idea what the VIP club was. Hey, man, at least you know you're getting an honest opinion, that I'm not just sitting here fucking dick riding. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not in the VIP club. What up, Tim? Tim Newman is definitely new on the stream. What's going on, man? I signed up for the VIP thing, though. I just didn't do it. I don't know what it is, actually, but I just signed. I put my info in there. You know, yo, when he said free something, what did he say? Free activations. I was like, yo, I'll go sign up. Where do I sign up? Yeah, welcome to the stream, Tim. Tim, are you from Topstep? I don't know. Yo, it's like a dildo candle to chat. Still learning? Well, welcome and feel free to ask any questions that you have, man. This is a open forum for everybody. I don't know what the VIP is, but I signed up. I think you get like free shit. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. I signed up. It was on the top of the chat. Oh, methodical. Everybody's learning. Yo, this account was down $400 and this one was down 1,200 at one point. Yo, do you have to pay for anything, Alfred? Yo, what the fuck? Do I have to pay for anything or it's free? Did you be back to flipping zips? Yo, it's Epstein Island boy. Bro, that shit was so funny playing poker. What up, TiVo? Yo, wait till the Diddy trial starts, man. This room's going to be fucking rocking. I'm going to be dumping baby oil on myself while watching it and trading. It's free, but I have to agree to go on the stream one time as well. I mean, I go on the stream anyways, Alfred. Yo. Wait until that trial starts, Dell. You have no idea. Yo, I'm going to be fucking, I'm going to get a bottle and be squeezing it on myself. Oh, man. Yeah, I wish they told us about that though. Like, I go on the stream anyway, so what's the big deal? What's up, Kay? Nice little flag breakout. The only reason I'm not really holding this flag breakout is we have this wick is, I think, going to be resistance, and that's not that much higher. What's up, Maria? I try to entertain the people, Maria. Yeah, Mara, I agree. It is definitely consolidation. This channel become X-rated during the trial. Yeah. That douche guy that was roasting you and Jay for not watching the stream all the time. I know. He knows that. He knows that. Still in jail? At least you get to listen in while you're there, Maria. Makes the day go by faster. Grab some good longs and shorts today, Walter? No. Lock it in. Lock it in. Yo, how about that guy who told us about that guy was not happy. He came on and we was talking about all the live payouts. And I was like, yo, what about that one guy you didn't put his name on? I was like, I bet you didn't want his name out there because he owes his baby mama money. Bro, that guy fucking looked at the screen and like didn't know what to say. And he was like, I think there's a story. Yo, what up, Logan? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, that guy was JD that came on talking about the payouts. Bro, and then people in the chat were talking about that. Yo. Yo, he got super uncomfortable when I said that. I was like, bro, I'm fucking joking around. Yo, he had like 5 accounts in there, Sean. He had like 5 accounts. Yeah, new hour fuckery. I didn't know you could say fuckery on there. I was unaware. What up, Luca? My biggest question is, do I actually pass if I get here? If I was $1,000, so it's 3,000, 4,000. I don't even need to go that high. Oh, man. Long or short? I mean, that's an eval. Yeah, Sean. He's got a ton. He's got a ton. I feel like we're going to first TP is right here. Second TP is going to be second TP is right at 90. I move to break even now. I'm at break even. And my last TP is right here. See what happens. Oh. Time for entertainment. Oh, baby. Yeah. I just gave away an awesome trade that I just made money on. Did you get it? Did you get it? Tell me. Market's been... Yo, what up, Logan? Market's been pretty good today. I'm mostly all green. I blew this account last night. while I was playing poker with everybody. This is an RIP from poker from everybody on Discord. That's what happens when the boys start playing. Wait, what? Yo, why did I hate when that does that? What the hell, man? Just stay fucking locked in. Yo, I'm definitely playing Tesla earnings today. I'm going to play it in my funded account. Dude, I want to sell out and I'm going to rebuy real fast because I don't know where I actually have to go. All right, so I need $1,600, right? Probably should have just fucking held. I think Tesla earnings are going to suck. Hold on one second. I got to open the door for someone. Hold on one second. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I just had to open the door. All right, I'm back. All right. What up, Jaden? 10 minis for 8 points. That's a solid fucking hit. This is what I was talking about. This wick was my take profit. Look at that. We just swept it a little bit and unloading. Unloading. What up, Robert? Trying to answer all the what's going on. Just trying to make $1 out of 15 cents over here. Yo, what? So it's normally 410, but I think last time it was delayed, and you got to keep moving your orders around to keep it close to the price after hours. It's freaking. I wouldn't do it on a phone, Maria. I wouldn't do it in general. I advise not to. Oh, baby. Look at this. We have an hourly. Dude, that's a big fucking. That's a massive. So we have an hourly. Who's taking that? If we get up into this fair value gap, it's at 391. If we get up to 391, oh man, am I going to take that in my personal account? Fuck. full port it and refinance the house. What up, Vicious? What's up, Enchanted? Maybe the majority you can be very. Earnings are super risky, Alfred. Hey, man, I only live once. YOLO. Dell wants to know if any vets are in here. I know Dell is a vet. Too, I'm trying to keep up with the chat. It's 50-50. I like 50-50. I can live with 50-50. Dude, I don't know why my chat does that. Yo, what up, Mad Moxie? What up, Bob? I'm a Nasdaq veteran. Oh, geez. 70-plus point stop loss. I might do that in my personal account. So you got two options how you can play this, how I play the hourly. You could take it when we come back up into like a 15-minute fair value gap, which is up here in the 400s. Or if we go back below 290, your stop loss would be this candle. I prefer to get up into this fair value gap at 490. And then my stop would be 5. Yo, Larry, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yo, let's hear a dad joke. Oh, geez. I don't have any dad jokes. I got jokes that I can't tell on the live stream or I'll get canceled, but they're not dad jokes. I got jokes that you put in your group message with all your friends. I got those jokes. I think Tesla's going to drag this the fuck down. I am waiting for this fair value gap. I'm going to take this. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm okay. Just remember, I'm okay with being wrong. So a couple of things that kind of not stop me, but the pivot point is right here. And then you got this massive fair value gap on the 5 and the 15. What's up, Marie? I just kind of feel like this is where I take a shot. My stop loss is going to be big, though. You think we left the Asia low? You think we go all the way down here? Oh, Marie, Chad's been waiting for you. What up, Scotsman? Such a large fucking stop. Oh, I just realized I have to trade this account. Okay, I just got my day in. That account's all set. I'll have a funded account after that. Earnings could do anything. They could. Fair value gap is a 3-minute upcoming. Yeah. I think we'll see what happens. That's not prop money. That's real money. So we'll see what happens. Listen, if we drop all the way down like 60, 70 points, I'm probably going to take my money off. I'm going to let it move around. I'm going to let it move around. We'll see what happens. Higher time frame, you get 31,000 points. Wait, what? I don't know what that is. What's up, Piano Trader? Well, that hit my final take profit would have been there. Damn. Look at that. It literally just hit the you could have just played that rejection for a bunch of points. It's crazy. Dude, that was a boner candle. Wow. Yo, I passed this one. Woohoo, baby. Yeah. Okay. So I passed this account. That's an eval. Yo, I passed 2 accounts today. I think they took the other one out already. All right, whatever. Dan, what size you need to pass at 250K? Dude, that master debating you all did on Topstep TV was crazy. Yeah, you got to master debate it sometimes. See what you want to do. Definitely got to. Yo, you know what's so weird? Yo, if you got to ask, you shouldn't trade. Yo, my chat on Streamlabs just fucked up. So weird. Come on. I want to see it just dump. I don't know who's holding because Tesla earnings can't be good, right? Like, I can't see Tesla earnings being good. I feel like Tesla is going to be a big washout and it's going to bring the market down. Anybody else feel that way? Yo, super pump and dump all day. I haven't seen Tesla's up today. Dude, Tesla's up $10 today. Bro, that shit's going to dump after hours. Tesla is going to fucking dump after hours. That's my opinion. Obviously. Obviously, that's my opinion, but I just can't see it being good with the tariffs, the guidance. Yo, CT, I was wondering what you were talking about. I was like, Coach Fred. I just can't see you listened to Meet Kevin last night? Yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know. I mean, it's going to be interesting. Listen, if Tesla earnings are good, this is probably the lowest Tesla is going to be. If Tesla earnings are bad, I think it provides a great buying opportunity. Look at this thing. Bounced right off the top of the orb right here today. Right off the top of the orb. That's the trade. RMBS. I've seen that. Is this thing just going to go for it? You shorted, right? Oh, that's crazy. I grabbed the bounce, but I mean, I didn't hold it. I should have. I think to myself, like, why not just grab like 5 micros? And once I'm up, like, look, you can see I was in it. And then just put my break even right there and just say I'm going to hold it. Such a, you know how many times this happens where it runs, 100 and something points? Dude, it takes one tweet. One tweet. That's all it takes. I like doing something like this where you hold 5 micros because you can get like 100-point runner. That's $1,000. What's the orange line? That's the VWAP. The problem with Trade Evade is you got to scroll out and then it recalculates it to what it's supposed to be. But that's the VWAP. See, now we got in this fair value gap and we're pushing out of it. I use a thick VWAP. I like it thicker. Just VWAP, yeah, even the VWAP on this chart's messed up. See, you got the blue line's VWAP. You got to go back. You got to go back. It recalculates it. So VWAP is at 61. Dude, that's crazy, Alfred. Yeah, VWAP. Yo, Dell getting wild in there. Let's see if we get. That's the VWAP the trading desk care about. The one on here is just how big your screen is until you recalculate it and then you go back. The thickest, the girthiest. All good, Maria. Ask away. That's what this is about. Asking questions. Ask away. I might short this right here in this eval.
Order filled. Order filled.
See what happens. The question lady, feel free to ask. That's what I want people to ask questions. Because if you're asking, I'm sure somebody else has the same question. Believe me, I'm sure someone's got the same question. Are we going to do this? Are we really going to do this? Come on. I want to flip this one back green. Can I flip this account green? No. No. I'm going to get it green. Trust me, I'm getting this account green by the end of the day. Yo,
order filled.
Up. Looks like I put in the top of the right shoulder on the head and shoulder in the 5 minute. Let me see. Let me see the old 5 minute. Oh, yeah. It's awkwardly shaped. Definitely awkwardly shaped. It's dragging ass. Yo. I use Tradeify as a savings account. Only that I like checking account as a take profit. Dude, I love take profit trader, Zayback. That's my favorite. Hopefully I can take a daily payout. Yo, DBT in the house. I'm trying, man. Trying to make some money here. You know? Of course it's dipping now. I'm thinking about just taking a quick short here and If we reject, it's going to slam. It's going to slam like Onyx. Come on, take out half down here. Look at that fucking short. Look at that. Holy shit, guys. Now, look, I lock in profits no matter what on this one, and we ride this other one down. Please don't stop me out. Let me just get this ride. Let me ride it. Yo, what up, Aramis? I'm going to shit. It's going to shit the bed, just a matter of time. I hope so. Come on. Look at that, though. We drop. Okay, whatever. I got 137, and is that 137? Oh, 57. Was that $200? What is the current promo with Topstep? I don't think they have a current promo. Yo, the imbalances just work, man. Topstep doesn't run deals. They were doing something with their new platform, but I don't really know what it is, to be honest with you. They don't really run deals. They just kind of, it is what it is. We bouncing. Oh, man. I'm holding. We'll see what happens. Oh, geez. They should follow my trades. I should tell them, big yo, just follow my trades, guys. I got you all. Bitcoin is ready to blow. Dude, my brothers won't stop texting me about it. That's all my brothers talk about is Bitcoin. All day. All fucking day. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. They're full blown. Have you taken call out? What? Tell them to get on butthole coin train. They were. Every losing day is another mountain house payment. Yo, what up, Discipline? Yo, what just happened there? Did I just get fucking stopped? Something fucking weird going on in oh. I'm trying to pass a freaking Topstep eval on oh yeah, we're gonna watch this fucking thing dump. I'd love to catch like $300-400 off this. I don't know. I'm on the 5-minute. I'm trading the 5. I think we're going to see at least 350 here. This is the 21 on the 5. Let's see what happens. Yo, what up, Net Baba? I'm up 20% from my Bitcoin stash. I can't stop winning. Praise God. Jeez. Awesome for you. Gold could hit 4,000, by the way. Dude, it's parabolic. Gold's going bananas. Banana land. At this rate, yo, I'm here. Yo. I had to refresh the screen. My bad. Yo, geez, Prophet P. Oh man. Yo, what up, Turtle? I was trying to run the duck race. And oh, dude, this thing's money. I was trying to run the duck race, and the problem was there we go. So I'm doing too many things at once here. I do not think we're done, by the way. Full port in your eval? What up? Yo, Oscar's in here? What up, Oscar? The Lord's in here. See, now I get to see everybody that's in here. None of you guys say anything. So now I get to see who's in here. Who's in here that I have? Yo, Racer's in here. Oscar Green. Welcome to the stream, Oscar. Wow. Dude, there's a lot of you guys. It's just freaking Marco's in here. Lenny's in here. Yo, Milton's in here. What up? What up, everybody? David's in here. Truth 21, Kron, Mara. Dude, I'm going through Eric. Kyle's in here. Luca. I think I saw Luca. John Ripple, Katz. Jaden's in here. Oliver. What up, Oliver? Nathan's in here. Robert, Kwan. All right, I'm going to take this off, guys. Primarily because we're right at the 200. I just made $201 in my personal Ninja Trader account. I took it off because we're at the 200. And there's earnings in 45 minutes. So if we bounce and earnings happens, I'm really rolling the dice. So I just scored $200, which was I think I got 50 points out of it. Sam, Yan, what up? Billy Joe, what up? Quo Bill is in here. Super Mario. What's crack-a-lacking, everybody? Gavin's in here. What up, guys? There you go, Maria. What's up, Jesse? Just trying to make a couple bucks here before Tesla earnings. So basically, I took that trade. What up, George? I took that trade because we traded back up into this 5-minute fair value gap. All the way from down here. You had a pivot point up here. You had the fair value gap. You know, and that's why I took that. Sure enough, we got the rejection and we got paid. So, crack-a-lackin'. What's up, Kaba? I mean, we could definitely keep going lower, which it appears so. I just was happy with 200 bucks, and I'll take my money off. But, yeah. Could have got a lot more there. Definitely could have gotten a lot more, but it is what it is, right? In 4 trades done for the day. Profitable. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah, I think so. I just don't see them having a great quarter. I could be completely wrong. But I wonder what their guidance looks like also. Andy, you're up 7,000. That's solid. That's a real good day, Andy. Are you still using the scripts? Those things were working out. What up, Carl? Dan Henderson's in the building. What do we got? 314 on deck? $314 Super Bot 2 from Khan. Is that the best one you've seen? Where did this short came from, man? Joshua? Dude, we were in this short, man. We were in at the top. I called this short in the top. I was looking at in the 5-minute fair value gap. I jumped on it. This was a good freaking call. Dude, that's wild. I mean, good for you, man. Find something that works. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! $112 real quick. 112 real freaking quick. All you got to do is play we travel all this distance. There's 2 volume imbalances right here plus the top of the orb. You gotta play something there. You gotta play something. One of those signature ICT fair value gap reject at 3 p.m. I don't. I just play it on the 5. That's solid, Andy. Oh, pivot bounce is at 305. Let's see. Can I go to the well just one more time? One more time, or am I going to get fucking... Oh, I'm only in one. I didn't get filled on the... I didn't get filled on the other one. Let's see if it comes back up and I get filled. All right, that wasn't that bad. That was only... Yeah, that wasn't that bad. Dude, we had this at the freaking top. We had this at the top. Who's talking? Me, Brian. Can you hear me? Maybe? Maybe yes, maybe no. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, maybe. What up, Arnold? Oh, yeah. Okay. Scotsman, you don't hear me? Use my eye, start blinking. I'm trying to catch the I'm only in half size. I'm trying to catch it on the way back up. They're going to get me out of this though. Damn. I guess my next target to the downside would be VWAP and the volume imbalance. Jeez, this thing just fucking unloaded. Wow. Unloaded. Dude, what's crazy is I caught the top. I sold at 42. That's gross. Next time I just move my stop down. Next time I just move my stop. You got to ask yourself, did you catch that? Who caught this? Who caught this bounce? Who caught this bounce? Dude, that was a nice freaking bounce. Dude, these imbalances just play. They just print money a lot of the times. Yeah, PG, I had it at the top. I filled right here. I filled at 380 with my personal account. 380, somewhere around there, 382. Oh, geez. Why did you leave about 70 points on the table? I don't know. Cats, I ask myself this question all the time. I only need a couple points here. I could pass a yo, I need like $10. Oh, I'm trying to pass. I have a Rhythmic account, and I literally need $46 in it to pass. I just got it over. I passed these two Topstep combines just now. Just playing that bounce. Bro, $10. That last $10 is freaking is rough. The last $10 is rough. You're like, can I just give you $10 so I could pass? Yeah, I should have just worked my stop down, to be honest with you. I should have just, when we got to 200, I should have just moved my stop probably down to like 63 and then just kind of moved it at the top of each candle until we made, I probably would have got stopped out like 307. I could live with that. Got to get those last dollars, man. I'm trying to get them all. I'm trying to get it all like Pokemon. Yo, yeah, feeling generous and cute. Left 60 points on the 70 points on the table. Yeah, pretty much. It's pretty much how my day went just there. And that was live money. That wasn't like prop money. That was my personal account. Like $200, $300, something like that. It did very little bit though, and then just kept selling. I think this is the selling before Tesla earnings, because if that shit's bad. I'm going to shut this off. I have Rhythmic Trader Pro open. I'm going to get some water real fast. I need water. My throat's killing me. Coming back. Coming back. All right, there we go. Sore throat, too many thick VWAPs. That's what happens when you take too many VWAPs. Occupational hazard. Oh, what up, Mac Daddy? I blew a 50K Take Prop Trader Pro account and my P&L shows negative $3. That's the worst. What? Jeez. What up, Vinny Lee? What's going on, man? Yo, I want to say, so I passed two my funded future accounts today, but I don't think they're going to give me my funded account till tomorrow. I hate this shit with VWAP. I reset it a few minutes ago and got in short. Now, yeah, CT. Yeah, Cats. Take Profit Trader has the best payouts. I'm going to try and get one today. We'll see what happens. Yo, thanks, Vinny. Always a good time over there. Always have a good time there. And then this is where I'm at the rest of the time. But yeah, I have fun. Man, I want to make this account green. See, there's a fair value gap right here on the 5 from earlier. Just let me you can see it right here. Just kind of holding. It's also on the that freaking trend line. Well, I just got a 25K Pro Plus pass trailing. First time doing that. Well, now it's time for some big ass payouts, Alfred. Scotsman is longing right here. Target 360. 360. Oh, baby, that's up there. That's up there, up there. Yo, I completely missed this. That sucks. I got to somehow set an alert. Look, you got a 3-bar right here on the 5. On the 15, you got a 3-bar. You would have got in at 340. I did not see that, actually. I didn't see the 3-bar. And right now, 284. We're back under this for confirmation at 287. Let's see what happens. This is so fucking dangerous. The reason this is dangerous is you got VWAP right here. You got a lot of shit right here. Super, super dangerous. Yo, I was on Topstep TV today. Dude, segment was awesome. Like always. Segment was pretty good. The owner was there, or the CEO was there. We had a good time. Made some trades, made some wins. I would say this is definitely a fucking dangerous trade. But I will say, if you are able to close under VWAP, you're probably going to get a dumpski, but it's super dangerous. How often do they call you there? Like once a week at this point, Amir. I was there last week, the week before, this week. Cove, what CEO office are you chilling in? Dude, that's AI background, bro. I have a if you watch, all there is a white wall behind me. Yeah, there's a white wall behind me. So do you want to, most people, instead of staring at a white wall, you get to see this. Okay, I just took this off. Profitable trade now. No matter what, it's profitable. I just took $80 and my stop is at 65. All right, I got fucking stopped out. But if you followed the trade plan, we made 80, made about $100, and I turned that account green. Yeah, it was dangerous. I wouldn't short it now, but yeah, I mean, he was on the, I was on his black, he had like a black couch in his office. I don't know what that was for. It's like a black couch. It's leather. He said it was for Topstep casting. It was like a casting couch. Big time frame show, Head and Shoulders. Yeah. Yep. So it is sloppy, obviously, because we came so far low here. But throw some pillows, a few box of wipes. Yeah, there was like wipes there. I don't know what the wipes were for. There was like a camera. It was so weird. I don't know. It had this camera. It looked like it went on your head. I don't know. Wild. This is an awesome fair value gap. This is an awesome example of a fair value gap short. We dump, comes all the way back to this 5-minute fair value gap, and you take this short down. That's fucking clean. MPOV. This is as clean as you can get it. Like that to me is an A+ setup. Did I see a jacuzzi? Yeah. There's like ring lights around it. It was weird for extra lighting. That is not considered news, David. Oh man. Yeah, so I'm loving the 5-minute chart with fair value gaps and some of the other signals that I play. 5-minute chart just seems to be where it's at, and just a bigger stop, 5 minutes, and this is a home run though. Like this is a textbook short. Oh, am I going to do this today? I feel like I have to. Let's see. Let's see what I light up here. Do 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 do. Oh man. Cove, do you have an indicator for fair value gaps? Oh yeah, I do. So I use, where is it on here? Dude. Oh, that was in the toolkit? That's crazy. So I mostly use this one. Let me go to the one that I like the best. So I use, it's called FV. Just type in FVG in the indicators, and it's Nephew Sam. And the reason I use this one a lot is because on the same chart, I can have multiple time frames. So it could show me the 5, whatever the chart is on, the 15, the hourly. So I saw coming back, that one was showing one, but here you have a 15-minute and a 5-minute. And then, you know, you could basically stay in this trade until it inverses a fair value gap on maybe the 1 minute. This thing's looking bad. All good. How many contracts do you typically go with the MOC? I play three minis. 3 minis, baby. Some people say I wheel it around in a wheelbarrow going 3 minis, but it is what it is. It's calculated. 15 minis? Jeez. I've never played 25 words or less on the game show. No. I played Scrabble. That's a word game. Yo, 50 ticks stop loss, 20 tick profit. That's just what I do. I don't recommend anybody doing anything. That's just what I do. Wow, man, they just freaking ripped this thing. That's 50 points. That's quick 50. I kind of want to short it, but I'm not going to. I kind of want to. Only because I'm going to wait. I think I would have gotten filled. Let's see what happens. I would have gotten filled right here. Yeah, I would have gotten stopped out. Good thing I didn't do it. Would have lost $100. I don't play the 3-bar on anything, but the 5 is the lowest one I play it on. So we have a 5. 288 was the buy signal. The problem is I'm not going to play it, but I'm not playing it because we're running right into earnings. Yo, no, I don't know what that was. I don't know if that was news. Somebody said NVIDIA is pumping. This guy walked back his shit at the Mag 7 are ripping. I don't see any news. Dude, this thing's going for it. Watch it come down just as fast. Like you have you literally have no idea what's going to happen right now. So like, yeah, you can jump in and you can be down 40 points in 5 seconds. Yeah, I would just let it sit. Let it marinate for a second. Do some, some consolidation maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not jumping in on this right this second. We're gonna let it play out just a little bit. Oh man, I'm just looking. I am just setting my stuff up. I'm locked and loaded, peeps. My peeps, I'm locked and loaded. I gotta scratch my back a little bit. Goog is grabbing between 1 minute candles. Tesla earnings, baby. Tesla after hours. I passed this account, so this account's going to be over tomorrow. Yo, Chill FX, what up? Quickest $1,200 loss ever. Yo, Scotsman, you almost got 360. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, Chill FX. YouTube blocked that comment because you used the word boner. That's hysterical. Got to put the 0 for the O. I mean, this is just wild. Oh, Matt. Uh-oh, you know what that is. Yeah, Matt. I had fun. I'll probably be back next week. It seems like I'm going to be on there every week. So I definitely had fun on it. Definitely had fun on it. People there are nice. I'll tell you what, the hour goes by super quick. Like, super quick. What up, Josh? What up, what up? Get ready to see what happens. I don't know. We lost yesterday. Josh. Yo, Scotsman, that would have been a crazy trade, dude. That would have been a wild trade. Not going to lie. I don't know. We'll see what happens. If I had a guess, my guess would be down. Is that weird? My guess is down. I have a down guess, but look, come on. Don't go fucking big. Please don't go big. No. Same bullshit. That's the first time it's ever happened. Dude, what are the fucking odds of that happening? What are the fucking odds of that happening? Dude, I mean, it's so crazy to say. Wait. Bro, my copy trader didn't work. Oh my fucking God. Dude, I'll show you my setup. So here's my setup, right? Here's my setup. See how I have 6? I was in the wrong fucking account. I did it in number 2, which is an eval. I didn't actually do it today. Yo, I just saved myself. Bro, I just saved myself a fucking ton of money. Yo, 9 more people for a pretty good giveaway. That's 91 people in here. Almost at 100. Wow. I mean, I'm willing to risk it every single day, obviously. I mean, I'm going to be back at it tomorrow. That's crazy. Dude, I only trade NQ on that DBT. Here's the copier, NQ. But see how it says 6? That's the lead account. I was on 2 as the lead account on my desktop. Bro, I just fucking got lucky. I got so lucky there. Normal, but I will tell you, I've made that same mistake and I would have made money like 3 times and I didn't get money because I did it. So just because I got lucky one time doesn't mean I got lucky every time. Just saying. I've had plenty of times where I didn't get it in I didn't, I was in the wrong account, or I was in MNQ and it was supposed to be. I've made mistakes and I've missed out on hitting the trade multiple times. I was in the wrong lead account. I was in a yo, this guy's name is Illegal Immigrant. Where's John White's booth when you need what? I don't even know what to say. Yeah, that's crazy that I messed up. I that's user error. That's user error. But listen, I've back tested it. It's never lost twice in a row. And I want to say it's won. I'm probably over 95% win rate. So it fucking is what it is. Like, I'm not going to stop doing something that wins all the time. I'm just not going to stop. So ain't there a play at Ford's Theater Trump wants to see? I have no idea. No idea. More importantly, who's playing Tesla earnings? I am going to play Tesla earnings. I've read a bunch of stuff, Matt. I probably wouldn't be using Elite Trader. Listen, I never used them, but I read some wild shit on Twitter about them that makes me not want to use them. Yeah. I read some shit on, yeah. Well, good luck. May the odds forever be in your favor, Matt. I'm out on them. I'm out. Yeah. Listen, everyone can do whatever they want, but I'm sticking with Take Profit Trader, Apex. I got some Tradeify. I got My Funded Futures, Topstep. I don't need to go anywhere else. I stick with the guys who pay me. I don't have any issues. What time is Tesla earnings? I think 4:05 or 4:10. It should move the Qs enough. It shouldn't move the NQ enough. I recommend Fast Track over Elite any day. Yeah. Yeah. I'm out on that. So listen. Yes, I'm staying with Old Reliable. I'm good where I'm at. I get treated good. I get paid out. You're long to 686. Bro, if they didn't wick fucking up. What up, bull breakers? What up? What up? I'm doing quite good today. I passed 2 My Funded Futures accounts. That's an eval. Let's see if I can get this one going. I got to flip this green. I also passed 2 Topstep accounts today, too. If I notice that they keep wicking it and going the other way, I'm going to move my stops. I'm going to move my entries like 4 points away from the candle, and then you would have caught this. I'm going to see what happens tomorrow. But if I notice that we keep wicking one way and going the other, I'm going to go 4 or 5 points away from the top of the candle, and then I'll only get once the move goes. Tesla's probably going to rip or tank. I would say that. It's at 405, Chad. Is that what it is? Tesla's at 405. All right. So you can watch it right here. I'm fucking moving my orders around without a doubt. What the fuck just happened? Holy shit. I almost got pre-filled. Hold on one second. Did Tesla come out yet? No, Tesla didn't even come out yet. With all the negative news around Elon, you think earnings are positive? I have no idea, Josh. The fact that it's pushing, I don't like. I have this weird feeling that they're pushing, and then it's going to just dump it. Earnings at 403. Bro, I should have just bought fucking long and just. I thought it was at 405. Do not do this in an account unless you're willing to lose it. Do not do this in an account unless you're willing to lose it. I'm just being honest with you. Look. $410 from Earnings Whisperer. So after, you could trade, sell OKLO. What do you mean? I think it was 410 last time also. Yeah, take profit trader you can. You could trade on take profit trader. Dude, we're gonna both these accounts I got. Oh baby. I upped the juice. I upped the juice. 5 contracts. I'm going for 13 points. What is that? Like $1,300? Hey, if you're not going to do it big. Yeah, 410 I think is what it is at. I'm willing to lose the accounts. Just remember that. Do not do this and regret it. Like, whatever happens, I'm going to go to dinner and I'm going to be perfectly fine. Like, I'm not going to be like, "Oh no, I lost my account." Like, I'm fine with the outcome of this. Just remember that. You know, if you're not okay with losing an account, you should not play earnings. I thought it's definitely 405 or 410.
Order rejected.
The fuck is that? Didn't go anywhere. Dude, did I just get wicked? This one account just got wicked out of nowhere? That was it? Was that Tesla earnings? Dinner behind Wendy's. Was that Tesla earnings? No way. I'm going to look right now. Tesla's down. Dude, did they just did it come out yet? Or was that just an algo candle out of nowhere? Tell me that was an algo candle. I'm looking right now. Dude, it didn't even move the fucking market. Oh, yeah, it's out. Dude, it's out. Yo, the stock is nowhere. The stock is literally not even down 1%. No, I'm watching it on my other screen. It's down $1. Earnings are out. That was it. EPS of 27 cents. Estimate was 40. That's a miss. That's an EPS miss. People are calling it horrid. The revenue, dude, the revenue missed by 10% and EPS missed by 36%. Oh, baby. What up, Benny? Dude, that was super boring. Actually, fucking didn't do dick. Dude, these are awful numbers. Oh, baby. Wow. Yo, the revenue estimate was 22.4 billion. and they only did 19.34 billion. That's a massive miss. EPS was supposed to be 47 cents, and they only did 27. Bro. Who's COF? That's a credit card company, right? COF? Who is that? Yeah, Capital One. Yeah. Yo. I kind of want to take a fucking short in my personal. It feels that, dude, that's awful numbers. I don't know, Maria. Tesla's not down. Tesla reported shit earnings, and it's basically even. Usually Tesla moves like massive. We're basically even. I think you're going to have a delayed reaction. Oh, the options got killed, Alfred. Killed. I'm thinking about taking a short. I just want to see if they pop it up first. Yo, Edmund. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. The cars are pretty cool. Like the features and shit are.
The market is
I don't
closed.
own one. I don't own a Tesla. Dude, I think they weren't going to put out guidance. I think I just read something about no guidance coming. They have a conference call, Benny. It's coming up. I'm going to risk it because if Tesla starts absolutely dumping, dude, I'm going to hold it. I mean, listen, I'm going to see what I can get right now. This isn't prop firm money. This is my wallet money. This is real money. I don't want to see it go back over 72 though. I want to see a sell off here. Let's see what happens. Dude, that's crazy. The market didn't move at all. I mean, I had a great trade today with this account. So even if I get stopped out, I'm up probably, man, I traded this pre-market today. If I get stopped out here, I'm probably still up 300 a day. So I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. Yo, it's just so, dude, Tesla's up. In what world are they up? How does that happen? Tesla's now up $2, $3. How? Tesla is actually green. How does that happen? The earnings were shit. That's freaking crazy. Crazy, crazy. I don't understand. Tesla is like, yeah, CT. If Tesla beat, it'd be way up. Way up. Yo, Edmund. Yo, waiting. Diamond hands, baby. You ever see those memes? It's like, welcome back, Diamond Hands. And they're going back to work. Freaking amazing. Yeah. They didn't put out guidance yet. I think that guidance is on the conference call. I didn't see any guidance anywhere. I mean, don't get me wrong. I wish I didn't hedge my portfolio today. If I didn't hedge my portfolio, we would have had a bigger day. But still had a good day. Yeah, Alfred, it's a cartoon and they're all, yeah. Where's Ray? I don't know, dude. I haven't seen Ray. I haven't seen Ray all week. Where's Waldo? Yo, where's that other guy? This freaking Ray probably went away somewhere. If I were to guess. Yo, it's up 1%. The crazy part is Tesla looks like it's going to dump. Like if you look at Tesla, like it looks like we're just going to roll over here. Definitely looks like it's in a bear flag and it's going to just dump. 1,000%. I don't understand. Uncle Joe, baby. What's up? Might be a prop firm timeout. What happened, Josh? Prop firm's not treating you well?
Order rejected.
Oh, you can't trade Topstep right now. Fuck. Am I going to go in one more time? What does a sell stop? What the fuck? No, Kevin. I'm waiting for Tesla to actually dump. This honestly, it just makes no sense to me. Yeah, cats. That's exactly what's going to happen. What did I do with that new Bullnox? I didn't really trade Bullnox because I can't link. My Bullnox isn't linking up to my NinjaTrader. So I'm going back and forth with support to see what's up. And I have to use Rhythmic Trader Pro. And every time I use Rhythmic Trader Pro when I'm on the stream, it says computer slow. And I don't want to hear that shit. So yeah, Chad. Yo, Vivo. Dude, do I take 50 bucks of real money off? Or let it fucking ride? I know I'm gonna have to connect it to Quant Tower or something. CT. Actually, I didn't even think about doing that, but I'm going to. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah, I mean, I was just trying to make some of my money back. Oh, Apple reports stellar earnings, stock dumps. Nvidia reports bad earnings. Yeah, they definitely priced in a lot. What up, Holler? All right, we're gonna do the duck race. Let's get this going. Duck race. All right. We're going to get this going right now. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe and you got to hit that little bell. Otherwise, you're not going to get notified if I go live. You got to hit the little bell button now. Don't ask why. I have no idea why YouTube does that. We stream live every day, 10:30 till noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. We do account giveaways most of the days. And if you like that and you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do the giveaways every day. If you have questions, now's a great time to ask because I can show you my screen. I can go over anything that you have a question about. Yeah, if you got questions about indicators, really anything, indicators, prop firms, you name it. So there is no morning stream today. I didn't open up the duck race because I was on Topstep TV today. So we're just doing one duck race, winner take all. If you got questions about prop firms, that link, it will probably help you out. If you're asking questions in the chat, I'm not looking at it because I'm setting this up. But that's it. Let me see. I want to see your 90%. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Dude, that takes a lot of work to do that thing. It was Lux Al. I think I was using a Lux Algo. I can't do that strategy while on the stream. How's that sound? I'll go over it, though. How much could a woodchuck? Oh, geez. Nah, there wasn't. Yeah, there wasn't one of them. Today, will there be a Tay Squeeze Duck? I don't know. Were you in the stream today? You got to be in the stream, Tay Squeeze. If you just come in at 4:20, Streamlabs doesn't allow you in. You got to like actually participate on the live stream. That's how Streamlabs is set up. If you just come in for like 1 minute, they don't allow you in. You got to like actually want to participate on the live stream. That's how it works. But you're more than welcome to come hang out, man. You know, because that's how it works. That's how Streamlabs does it. Oh, anybody else ask questions? What do I got up here? Yeah, I don't think there was one in the morning stream. What up, Kid Poker? Yo, good night, Maria. You're probably gone already. What up, Pascal? Dude, Brian Zero. No, this is it. Brian Zero, are you in here? You got 2 minutes, Brian. Brian Zero, shoot me an email. Man, my eyeballs are dry. I got some dry eyes. Good night, Maria. Good night. Yeah, if you want to be entered into the duck race, you got to be on the stream for more than 1 minute. That's how Streamlabs does it. It makes sure that you're like a participant in here, and it assigns a point value to get in, and you accumulate points by being on the stream. So if you're not on the stream, you have no points to enter. That's how Streamlabs works. Yo, later, Code. Yo, later, Chad. Oh. Poker, I'm shocked that it hasn't dumped yet. I am shocked. You got, dry balls. Yo, see you in the Discord. By the way, if you're hanging out and you want to chill out with the rest of us when we're not on the live stream, here's the link to the Discord, and all of us are pretty much in there. That's pretty much where we hang out when we're not on here. Yo, DBT, yo, the short vids are awesome. I'll probably roll one out tonight. Short vids? Yeah. System is always rigged. Yo, conference calls at 5. The problem is the market doesn't open again till 6. So you're just going to have to wing it. See where we open. It's bro scored for those who know. Bro, it's fun, man. I like Discord. I like Discord because everybody can load images up, and everybody can do GIFs. Yo, Google's on Thursday. Google will move the market 100%. Google's going to send the market. Yo, Cove, what's the imbalance indicator? Oh, it's called volume imbalance. The imbalance indicator, Profit P, is called volume imbalance. Yeah, Dell will tell you, before Discord, he was unprofitable. After Discord, profitable. If you're not coming in, that's on you. Yo, Google's super low. I kind of want to buy some stock of Google prior to the earnings. Yo, after Discord funded and fucking, yo, I'm telling you, man, just hanging out with other traders, shooting the shit at night definitely helps you out. Definitely helps you out. Tomorrow, I'm going to request my first ever Tradeify. I have a max payout with Tradeify I'm going to get tomorrow, so that's going to be interesting. Stone needs to send you the guide. Yeah, we have a voice chat. Everybody can join. Everybody can join on the voice chat, or if you just want to listen in, you can listen in. Yeah, well, you need to trade 10 days. So I haven't traded 10 days yet. I think the first payout is 1,500. My account's at 55,800 bucks, so I'm well over the buffer. I'm well over the buffer. So I'm going to be able to get a payout, and then basically I trade, make 150 a day for 5 days. I can get another max payout. Poker, I have no idea, but I'm done trading it now. Trade of the day was actually there was 2 trades of the day. The 5-minute, this fair value rejection and this 3-bar reversal was fucking money. Money. Congrats for Cove Tradeify TV coming out. I'm not on Tradeify TV, but I'm getting their money. I go on Topstep TV. Only on Topstep TV that I go. Oh, man. But that's 150 a day. No reason to go for anything but chump moves. Yeah, I mean, the goal of this is to take payout. So if I can just do 150 a day and get another 1,700 bucks, then that's what I'm going to do. Like, there's no reason to push the envelope. Let me get the 1,500. Let me get the 1,750. And then after that, I'll push it. But at that point, I'd be up over $3,000 on them. And then, net, I'm up. I've only had 6 accounts with them. So if I pull out $3,000, I'm way up on Tradeify already. And then I just keep trading. You're doing TPT for the accounts now at the point they force you to go live. Yeah, at some point they do force you to go live. I'm not there yet. Yeah, but you still got to pay 10 days. You got to still go 10 days. Like, I'll bring it up. I still have to do 10 days of trading. There might be no more payout windows, but there's still 10 days worth of trading. Just making sure my fucking info is not all over this. I'm all there. So I flipped contracts today, which would give me 9 out of 10 days. And then tomorrow, or when the market opens, I'll flip another micro to give me 10 out of 10. And then tomorrow night, I'm going to request whatever I can, max payout. Listen, the fact that you got to trade 10 days kind of sucks, to be honest with you. Take profit traders 1 day. 1 day. You hit your profit target, you take money out. That's what I like. Yo, 10 days is, you need 5 days of $150 or more. You need to trade 10 days. And then not only that, you have to get to like, I don't even know where you got. I'm way past it, but I forget what you need to get to. But I got payouts coming. I got, what did I get? 2 or 3 prop firm payouts last week. I'll have this payout. Depending on what happens tomorrow, I can get another take profit trader payout tomorrow. I've never seen the last trade of the day mess up 3 times. So I'm literally going to save my take profit trader account for that trade at the end of the day. And if it hits, I will pull money out, pull my $400 or $500 out. See what happens. But we've been trading really good. I mean, I did this last night while we were playing poker. I lost. Other than that, I mean, it was pretty solid day. I was up in these accounts. I passed 2 Topstep accounts. I locked one out for $300 in gains. I think I passed 2 my funded future accounts today. I don't know. I passed a bunch of accounts today. Also, Fidias owes me 5 funded accounts. I don't even know how many. What's the max you can have in that place? I don't even want them. I'm going to trade those fucking hard. Oh, I can have up to 15. I can only have up to 5. I'll probably blow one and just not blow it on purpose, but push it hard. Anybody have questions? Anything? Anything? Questions, comments? I gotta plug my phone's dying. Yo, later, Alfred. Yeah, you could have 5 of each. Yeah, Cats, that's solid. That's really solid. Why am I playing prop firms? Trade your own money, because I do both. I do both, Edmund. Honestly, that's the easiest answer. I use leverage to trade prop firms, and then I have my own account. I got to go through that video, DBT. I think it was this. I'll show you. I think it was this. I got to get to a tab that has fucking nothing on it. Why, though? Because you're using leverage of the prop firm. It cost me a couple $100, and I got a account that gives me leverage to trade. Why not? If I'm profitable, why not? Just another spot to trade on. It's free leverage for me. right? If it's free leverage, why would I not take it? But here, Edmund, like, here's my own money. I'm up $3,800 today. I trade my own money there. I traded Ninja Trader futures today. I think I'm up $300 and something in Ninja Trader futures in my Ninja Trader account. So what is that? 3,800 plus we'll just call it 300. That's 4,100 I'm up. So I'm up 4,100. And I have a smaller Robinhood account that's up $1,500. So 4,100 plus 15, 41, 51. So I'm up $5,600 today in my own money. It's free leverage. It's just another spot for me to lever out multiple accounts. Like, would I play 5 minis in my personal account? Probably not, but I would do it in a prop account and earn a payout. You know? Is it Quant Algo? Oh yeah, here it was. Here it was. All right, so here's the deal. DBT, you keep asking me. This is how you're here. I just want to make sure you're still here, DBT. Are you still on? Corey, I've been doing this since 2007, so just think about it. People think it's like an overnight fucking thing, or I started a year ago. Like, I've been in the markets a long time. Yeah, $100 of my own money gets me. It only gets you 1 micro, I think, Stone. You know. So, DBT, you're still here before I go through this whole thing and you're not here? Please tell me you're here. What's my current addicted strategy 3-bar? Hold on. Let me just give DBT 2 seconds to say, is he here before I do this? Okay, cool. Yo, Corey, I thought he left. I was like, what the all right. So this is it. You use these 2 indicators, right? Adaptive trend and UT bots. The idea behind this is if you're red, you're not playing the buys. You only play the sells. The buy is where you cover. And then if you're still red, you're basically following the sell and you'll get back in on the sell and then you'll get out on the buys and you'll only play it to the downside. Same thing when it's going up. When you turn green, you're just green. You're not in it yet. And then you basically buy on the greens and you're selling the reds. I originally did this on a 1 minute and it was laggy. I'm trying to think of the rules. The original rules were, what were the original rules? You definitely were buying. There was one back test where I bought when we returned back to this line. And then I was using UT bots as a sell signal and then rebuying when it recrossed the line. I got to rewatch the video. I got to rewatch the video, but I back tested that shit for like weeks. But the idea of it was you're basically playing the trends in a chop day. Hold on. Let me just go to the 1 minute. Maybe it was on the 1 minute I made the video on. So you would have bought down here when we turned green. You would have sold. And then you're basically rebuying when it touches this line, and you're selling when the sell comes up. And then you're rebuying on the line. I got to watch the video. I definitely got to watch the video. But your take profits are where the sells come up. And I know you, if you wanted to, you're rebuying on the dip to the solid line. And the original goal was to make 10 points every trade. So the real goal wasn't to hold, it was for 10 points. But then I was readjusting it for a lesser win rate, but more points. And that's when I think I implemented some of the UT bot rules. It's not a gamble, Edmund. Scaling. It takes a... Yeah. I don't go balls out either. Look, balls out isn't making $100 to $500 in an account. It's just slowly growing. Slowly growing. I'll be honest with you, everybody should start off with prop firms, because if you're not profitable, how much money would you lose if you weren't in prop firms? Say I took $5,000 out, right? And I was going to test a strategy. You'd probably lose most of that $5,000 before you were profitable. But if you bought prop firms with it, you would definitely have a much longer time to get profitable. Right? You know, DBT, I would get the UT bots and adaptive trend flow with quant algo. I would load it up, and I would almost do this. I would split screen it, and I would run one on the minute and one on the 30-second, and I would back test what you like. But those were the two indicators I was using. And so also another way you can do it that I was playing around with, like as we were green, I'm never looking for shorts. When we're green, I was only playing longs. And if I got a sell signal, I'm not looking to get back in long until I had a buy. And that kept me out of a lot of stupid trades also. You know, but you're looking for moves. So like you're looking for this, like a sell, and you're basically holding to the buy where you get, I don't know, 80 points, 100 points, and then you're fucking done for the day. You know, same thing here. Like, you know, you're looking for a massive run. That's what this was more about. Yeah, you're going to get chopped up a little bit, but when it runs, you're going to catch the fucking runs. Like, you're looking to catch the run. I like the 30-second better, to be honest with you. I mean, Edmund, you're not paying somebody to take your profit. And if you don't get it, you don't listen. If you don't understand it, you don't have to understand it. But he's not paying somebody to take profit. You're paying for leverage. You're paying $30 and you could possibly take out thousands. Where can I risk $100 to take out thousands of dollars? Yeah, McDaddy, it might be available elsewhere. What EMA is that trailing? What, like this line? It's part of the software. It's part of the indicator. I don't know. See, when I take the indicator off, it goes away. If I had a guess, I'll tell you. Watch this. I'll tell you. If I had a guess, it's probably like a 14. Because this purple line is the 9, And this green line is the 34. So maybe it's the 21. Maybe it's the 21. Yo, my trades cannot hit the tape, but you know what? The profits are real. That's all I care about. All I care about is the money. I don't care if I don't care if I'm playing video games all day. If I'm getting paid the same amount of money as someone else, what does it matter? Edmund, obviously you're the best trader ever trading real money. I mean, we all see it. We all see you're the best trader trading real money. So it's already established. I know, video game that pays real money. Dude, he doesn't get it. If his mind can't comprehend it, it's not worth explaining it. You know? I mean, I ran the numbers. It's definitely worth trading prop firms. And that's coming from somebody that makes a lot of money trading his real money. You know, if I make real money, why? You don't think I looked into it? Hey, man, all power to you. A lot of the people shouldn't be trading real money because they're not 100% profitable yet. Yeah, he probably got smoked today, Dell. You can almost smell the burning from the account. But let me guess, the next message is that you did so good today. Come on. The next message is you did so good. Just put it out that you made so much money today. Tell me you made so much money today. I am waiting for it. Please. Come on. Come on. Post it. Post it. Let's go. Let's go. Just post that you made so much money today, Edmund. We're all waiting for it. Come on. Kevin, that's Trading View. If you're trading real money, post the P&L. Didn't the Eddie Fitzgerald sink? I have no idea, Sports Don. I have no idea. People that come in and hate on others, and I'll be honest with you, a lot of the people on here shouldn't be trading real money. They're not profitable. So they can lose $30 instead of $1,500 while they perfect their craft. I know. You know how much money it takes to move the tape on the fucking NQ? I can hit it with my whole fucking account and I won't flinch it. Won't even flinch it. Oh. Yeah, Brandon. You can crank the NQ at as much money as you got, and you're nobody. It's like peeing in the ocean. Always someone. It's definitely risk mitigation. Dude, whatever you made today is probably laughable to what I made, but you don't see me fucking talking down to anybody. That's not what this community is about. It's not about talking down to anybody or laughing at people. Most of the people in here are not profitable yet. The idea is to help them out. Like PG said, mitigate risk and help them along their journey, not not talk down about somebody because they don't have $5,000 to throw in an account that they're not profitable on. Adaptive trend flow and UT bots. You know, I'm sure I can shit all over you, Edmund, but I'm not. It's just, you know, the idea of this is to help people. You know, somebody takes one micro and they make $200 today. That's fucking awesome. You know, like you got to celebrate the wins. And if somebody is mitigating risk by using a prop firm, they probably should be doing it. Whatever you want to tell yourself, dude. You know, whatever you want to tell yourself. You seem like a stalker, actually. You know, that's the difference. That's the difference. Bro, he doesn't have a brokerage, Dell. There's no brokerage. He's got no brokerage, Dell. I bet you he doesn't even trade. I bet you he lost a bunch of money and he's done trading. That's definitely not, but okay. Yo, Edmund, go in and post your brokers. Let me see your P&L today. I remember you. You've come in here and you do the same shit every time. It's obviously you got smoked today, so post your P&L in the Discord. But wait. You don't want to go in there. That's the next thing, is you don't want to go in there, just post it. I know. Yeah. I know. Fucking guy. Well, he's got nothing better to do. He got smoked, probably. He probably lost a ton of money, and now, you know, he's just miserable. And he's awful at trolling, obviously. The best part is he comes in here and no one really gives a shit. He thinks like, you know, he's telling us. Like, dude, no one gives a shit. Yo, Edmund, I literally just showed you that I made $3,800 in an E-Trade account. How am I living off YouTube money? You do know E-Trade is real money, right? Like, we can all agree E-Trade is real money? Or is E-Trade sim money also? Yeah, that's what I thought. Bro, it's 100% legit. What are you talking about? It's 100% legit. It's not an image. You could see the fucking clock moving. Right? The clock is moving right there. It's not an image. Literally time updated. It just updated again. Don't worry, man. Next time I'm by your house, I'll leave my P&L on the dresser, dude. If you know what I mean. That's all. All right, boys. I am out. I got to go make dinner and chill out. Edmund, one day you'll be able to make the money I do in real life. Until then, keep complaining about prop firm people. So chill out. Marie? Awesome. Y'all, see you in the broker? Yeah. Y'all, see you over in the Discord. Don't worry, Edmund. I'll leave the P&L on the dresser, bud. When you get back from work, it will be there. Peace.